Jog Falls is a renowned waterfall located on the Sharavati River in Karnataka, India, specifically in Siddhapura Taluk, Shimoga district. It is the second highest plunge waterfall in India, with a drop of 253 meters, 830 feet. The waterfall splits into 4 distinct cascades named Raja, Rani, Roarer, and Rocket, each having unique characteristics. The Raja Cascade is. The falls are a major tourist attraction surrounded by dense evergreen forest and abundant vegetation, enhancing the natural beauty of the site. Visitors can view the falls from 2 main decks, one near the entrance and another near the inspection bungalow. A notable trek involves descending approximately 1,400 steps to the base, offering a close-up experience of the F. Jog Falls is also rich in cultural history and local legend, with historical ties to the Kaladi dynasty and Hindu mythology describing its origin linked to Lord Ram, Goddess Sita, and Lord Laxman during their exile. Overall, Jog Falls is a magnificent natural monument blending scenic beauty, adventure, and cultural heritage, making it a must-visit destination in Karnataka.
वेट कर रहे सब लोग इधर देख नंद किधर है नंद ओए नंद आ जाओ रे देखो शैलेश सर रेनकोट डाला फिर भी ये चाहता पकड़ा शैलेश सर को मस्का लगा रहा भाई उसको राजा बनाने लगा उसको ही राजा बनाना राजा चेंज कर दो राजा वो तो नहीं एक्चुअली